Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Q&A not showing on your TikTok bio. So let's start. First, open the TikTok app. Now go to your profile from bottom right corner. To add Q&A on your TikTok bio, you have to switch to Pro account first. Otherwise, you will not be able to enable Q&A on your TikTok account. Now tap on three dots on top right corner and go to Manage Account. From here, you have to switch to Pro account and then select Creator. When you are done, go back to Settings and Privacy. Under the Account section, you will see Creator option. You have to tap on that and then enable Q&A. If you don't see Creator option here, then you have to restart the app and then come back. And if you still don't see the Creator option here, then scroll down and tap on Free Up Space and Clear Cache and Downloads. And then restart the app and you'll be able to see the Creator option. Still, if you don't see that option, then scroll down and tap on Report a Problem. Scroll down to the bottom and then tap on Privacy and Abuse Report. Then tap Other. Then tap on Still Have Problem. Now you have to type in your problem here and then tap Report. And TikTok support team will contact you within 2 to 3 working days. And that's how you can fix Q&A not showing on your TikTok bio. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like. And see you in the next tutorial.